I'm Matt. I'm the Visioneers president. I'm a senior digital communications major with a concentration in design. So our top equipment right now is the Prusa i3s. They're the new 3D printers, super high quality stuff there. When I toured this college at first, that makerspace sold me on it. Being able to have access to that as my tool set for design and manufacturing real objects, real solutions, is that's the biggest thing that I want to do. And that's where I think I'm going to take my career, is manufacturing, fabrication.
Hello, my name is Hunter Nelson. I'm the Vice President for the Visioneers Club on campus here at Lebanon Valley College. I'm an IXD major for interactive design. So the way that IXD incorporates into the makerspace and even Visioneers is that IXD versus our standard digital communications major is more creative based and more developed around the idea of design, where we talk about and actually design things in 3D modeling programs such as Fusion 360. And by being active in this club, not only can you apply what you've learned in class to the club, but as well as to the club to class, because there's a lot of cool things that people are able to learn from each other. So we've really gotten a lot more funding and a lot more support from Lebanon Valley College and donors into our makerspace lab. We went from a rinky-dink type corner room to expanding into a classroom where not only are students able to go in at almost any time and interact with the machines, but now we have an actual learning environment for doing a lot of these projects. I mean, even if you're not an IXD major, you can join this club and probably learn from experiences of others as well.
So my name is Tristan Nye. I am a business administration major and I am the club secretary. These people, probably the guys over here, guys over there, lovely people. They are probably some of the best people I've ever actually talked to at this college so far as a freshman. They're super nice, and their projects, they have printed some amazing stuff. And even if you're just new to it, if you've never done 3D printing in life, like myself, this is literally the first time I'd ever done 3D printing in my life, and I love it. So to anybody who's thinking about possibly joining this club or even just going into Digicom, I'd heavily recommend it. It's insanely fun, and you will not regret it.